This is very, very realistic one. Of course, this is looking very realistic. The hair are from the same patient because this is purely custom-made prosthetic. This is very realistic one. Maybe this is the reason why you are so excited about it. Each time I am putting this kind of job, any content in our TikTok, Sepsor Media, you can also see our TikTok. It's almost 2 million people watch this video and they are so excited about it. This one, because it is really realistic and we are able to do that. We are able to help you with this prosthetics. This is the inside. Inside is this, outside is looking very realistic. The second item I want to show it to you. This is also cover for the prosthetic, Biloni prosthetic, but it is manufactured from the company. It is not custom made. This is around $600 to $800. It's not expensive one compared to that prosthetic cover, which is purely custom made and is really very nice item and high quality. Both of them are for prosthetics are below the knee. They are all manufactured in BestCare Medical in Dubai. It's all made from carbon. It is custom made. Of course, the patient has to be here. Many thousands of people are calling me, asking us about the price. They want to have it. They are very happy with it, but they are far away from us in other countries. They want us to deliver it to them. The patient has to come to us, to our facility, after consultation, after checking the physical condition of the patient. We will be able to provide this prosthetic to anyone wish to have it. Another items I want to show it to you. This fingers was made actually for one of our patient came to us, and look at the quality. It's very realistic. The price is around, let's say, $1,500 to $2,500 each. If you have amputation, partial hand, fingers, thumb, we can provide you services, but you need to be please here, visit us in UAE, in Dubai for now. In future, we're gonna be hopefully also available for you in Germany, in Munich. To get some idea, this is inside this prosthetic. When you are asking for whole prosthetic, it means this together. Please ask me the price for whole prosthetic, or ask for only cosmetic cover, or ask only for prosthetic without cosmetic cover. Please just think about it, and this is very important for you to know the difference. I am so happy that you like the prosthetic, and we are pleased to help you to get this prosthetic as soon as possible. Contact us and we are there to help you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe to our channel, and in our channel, in Smile Nouri BestCare Medical, you will find everything about prosthetic and orthotic devices. I am trying to actually gather information for you to make your life easier. If you want to be always updated, if you want to see anything information coming there, you can be with us. I will write my number here and my email address and my contact number. Please stay in contact with us.